are here sa taas. This way is going to Olongapo. And this other way is going to Dinalupihan, Bataan. And here's the famous billboard of Punta Bell kasi talagang nauna siyang puntahan dyan ng mga taga-Bataan dahil wala silang immediate beach sa gitna. Ang daanan na ito ay luma, so this is the residential area. This is the Barangay Road. Diretso lang, and then you will see up ahead is the Mabiga Bridge. Yeah. I believe there are kasi this map is from 2023 and there had been several improvements sa Mabiga Expressway. So may tatlong bagong road development dyan. One going to Hermosa, so this is their famous bridge kasi nandun up ahead is the Welcome to Mabiga sign because that area technically is Dinalupihan. So ito si Welcome to Barangay Mabiga, Hermosa, and ito as you can see ginagawa pa lang yan, but today, as of today 2026 ay settled na daanan na to. It's very concrete already. Madami ng tao dyan kasi mahangin, malamig, and this is the orchard that you will see up ahead. Up till now, ito pa rin siya. Hanggang ngayon, madami pa rin siyang mga saging at mga tanim. So, this is the Esitex road up ahead. Dito sa taas is overpass kasi ang tawag ko dyan. Pero si Esitex Road yan. And dito sa baba si Mabiga. And more orchards, but there are proper road developments there already. And ang property natin for sale is just a few minutes from the main road, from the national road. So itong area na to is may mga roads na for dun pa pala going to SBMA. Yan, na-excite ako ng konti, but yan. As you can see, may mga development na from here. So this is, I believe, first, yung kanilang first development dyan, natatago sa Hermosa, Bataan, na way na papuntang Balanga. So township development yan. I believe they have plans for schools, colleges, universities, malls even. Maganda ang plan ni First John and I hope that it comes to pass. So, ito yung road din na tapos na. And ito na yung ating property. Actually here, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Itong development na to is going to leading to SBMA and this is fully concrete on both ways kasi this video is from 2022. Yung image capture natin, as you can see, so this is a very old video capture, but this one is almost finished halfway, passable na for some vehicles na allowed kasi hindi pa siya for public use as of today. But these, in reality, is already finished. So, fully cemented na yung mga roads na yan. So, very exciting ang development sa Mabiga. Balik tayo dito sa ating properties for sale. This although has the front face of a subdivision that did not finish. The properties that we have are belongs to the Alejo family. So, Alejo Estate has properties over here. Ako, hindi natin siya ma-access, but this is the face and I know doon sa mga nakakapunta talaga na nakikita nila yan from above. So, try natin puntahan doon sa top. Kasi itong properties na to, I will show you the map. Ito ang ating lugar from above. So, as you can see, ito lang siya, si Mabiga property natin. We have almost 240 square meter properties for sale in here, completely titled. At ang development ng subdivision, kumpleto na yan siya. Meron na siyang mga roads, meron na siyang mga drainage systems, everything has been set up. And we have titles from the Alejos selling those properties. And if you want to avail, please send us a message kasi we have very good we have very good offers for those properties. So send us a message or send us a comment and we will connect with you kahit dito sa YouTube or sa TikTok or Facebook Messenger or Marketplace, wherever you will see the video. So I hope to see you and hear from you guys soon if you want to take part of this beautiful lot investment. So kung kayo ay land banking, ang PEG, or you want a personal home for your family, that place is a really good place to start if it's your first home. Ayan, meron tayong access from here, I think. Yan. Ang ganda ng surrounding nyo. Open skies, tapos pani-greens yan kasi napapalibutan talaga ang Mabiga ng mountain ranges. So, napaka-presko dyan. Ito, oh. Yan. Actually, you can see here na tapos na yung kanilang mga road development. So, kompleto na yan siya hanggang dun sa taas. And we'll be giving you a more extensive tour on these properties for sale. So, connect with us if you're interested sa location. If you're interested to invest on a property na kahit hindi nyo patatayuan ngayon kasi it's on a rent-to-own scheme. So, very exciting. So, I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you for watching.